We'll talk about hyper-targeted online billboards for your business and how we can use perfect ads to acquire highly qualified leads at the lowest cost possible. The topics we'll cover: why SEO should not be your main strategy, nor should it necessarily be your first. How to stop wasting your marketing budget on methods with no or slow return on your investment. And this includes Google Ads for most businesses. How to generate highly relevant ads while paying less than the market rate, while getting the highest quality leads possible. As a business owner, you know each of these have a major impact on your bottom line. Once you have the rest of this basic information, you'll be much more prepared for future marketing decisions. I hope you're excited to hear this. I'm certainly excited to share it. Let's jump in. SEO, search engine optimization, is how we tweak your website with keywords to help you rank on Google. Not only do we draw humans to your site, but SEO is how we help the Google bots better navigate your site, read it, index it, and rank it. SEO is how we help you rank organically, which means getting to the top position on the first page of Google without running ads. 99% of businesses start with SEO, and because you need a website, it seems like the logical order, as we need some SEO to get our business set up online. This is why we don't believe SEO should be your only strategy,
nor your first.
It takes time to determine which tweaks help or hurt your ranking. SEO results typically take 6 months to a year or longer, depending on your industry and competition. When we start working with new clients that have been paying for many months for SEO, yet they're still waiting for a return on their investment, that's not cool. You may already know exactly what I'm referring to. You may have been paying a very long time for SEO with still no results, or worse, you're wondering if it will ever work. To be clear, SEO is very important. We use it on all our sites as well as our clients. We just believe in changing up the order so that our clients can receive an ROI now rather than later. Most businesses do not have enough room in their budget to do long-term SEO, run ads, email campaigns, and other forms of marketing too. Why pay out for months to years or beyond without a return on your investment? Therefore, our strategy is to first get our clients rocking in their business with a steady stream of new clients so they're profitable and comfortable before the long-term and more tedious portion of their marketing begins, the rest of their SEO. On the other hand, if you have room in your budget to do everything at once, by all means, go for it. Let's switch gears for a minute and talk about something we're all familiar with: